I tell the new guys coming in, I said you can work from anywhere from on the ground to 1,000 feet in the air on top of a stack. So it's always changing.
I would say a Boilermaker is somebody that can go into power plants or energy producing facilities and work primarily on anything that generates heat, power, and steam.
So to say, a jack of all trades. We do just about everything. Building ships, just about anything in a power plant. So I've got to do something different just about every time. And it's been a really awesome experience for me.
They're going to be learning rigging and welding, how to grind, how to cut things out with a torch or a gouge. They're going to be learning how to actually hang rigging equipment in powerhouses in different places.
We do a lot of maintenance, just a bunch of repairs that they need for the outage.
It's not like any other job that I've ever worked.
To get into the Boilermakers program, you got to be 18. You have to have a GED or a high school diploma. Go online, go to wvtrades.org. Click on how to apply, go through the process.
And I looked on the website and I applied from there.
It took about a month to get a call back, and then it was all a quick process.
There is no cost to you for signing up. All your tools, your books, everything is supplied.
All books provided, you got a laptop provided, you got a lot of tools provided to get started.
I came straight out of high school into this. Never went to any kind of college classes or anything like that, and did not take welding in high school or nothing. They taught me how to do everything here. My first day here was amazing to me. I was really fascinated by everything, but they really took care of me and taught me how to do it, and that's why I'm decent at what I do now.
We start in the classroom, we'll go over the job we're gonna be doing, and then we'll head up on the hill, get to work, and go from there. I worked at a coal fire plant.
I was at a shipyard in Virginia.
I've worked at chemical plants and steel yards. Here you get the opportunity as paid education. You do a 4-year apprenticeship. I'm getting paid to train, and the same equivalent of what they're learning and paying cash for, I'm getting paid in a 4-year process to do the same thing.
They take the time to teach you. That's how journeymen are supposed to do. They take the time to show you what you're doing wrong, or they'll let you mess it up first and then show you how to fix it, which is also something very important.
You meet a lot of new people, and best thing is standing back and looking at what you completed together, and all get to go home safe.
You get people from all different varieties from all over the country, and as long as you can go in there and have fun and make communication with that guy, that job is going to go great. Working with that guy, seeing what he knows and what you know, putting those two, all that information together and being able to get the job done.
Something else that's really enjoyable is the friendship and the camaraderie that we develop and the brotherhood.
You're willing to come to work every day, work with your hands. Why don't you come and check out the Boilermakers? This would be a great job opportunity for you to better yourself and better your family for a career and a lifetime.
If you're interested in a job in the trades, you can go to wvtrades.org, sign up, or check out the different fields that are there.
And it takes you right to the website to apply.
Yeah, go sign up.